Greetings to all. My name is Paul John, and this is my first year record in the Java programming lab. And the first exercise is based on the basics of Java, and I have been given two sub questions in the first exercise. And the first question is to print the prime numbers from 1 to 50, and the second one is to print the reverse of a number. Now let's move on to the code that I've created for the program. The first one is for finding the prime numbers from 1 to 50. I've used the necessary package, then I've imported the necessary file, that's java.lang and java.util.scanner, and then I've used a public class prime, and I've created a main method. Then in the main method I've used necessary variables, and I've created two for loops, one in which I varies from 2 to 50, and then inside that I've initialized flag as 0. The flag is used to remember whether the number is prime or not. And inside the first for loop, the second for loop with j, which varies from j equal to 2 to I less than equal to I. Now inside the j loop, I check whether it's prime or not. The condition I use is that I modulus j equal to 0 and j not equal to 1. If this is true, then it's not prime. And if this is true, inside the if block, I initialize flag as 1. And outside the j loop, I check whether flag is 0. And if it's not prime, it comes out of the loop. And inside the outside the j loop, that's inside the I loop, it checks whether flag is equal to 0. If it's 0, then it's prime. So for the corresponding value of I, the prime, it's printed as prime. That's this code. Now let's try running it. As you can see, it starts from 2 and till from 2 to 47, all the prime numbers between 1 to 5 has been displayed. Now let's move on to the next code, that is to print the reverse of a digit. That is, if the input is 3 to 1, it should be 1 2 3. Now as same, I've used the necessary files, and then I've created a class rev, and then the public static void main method, and then I've asked the user to enter the number, and then I use a scanner to take in I use the object s from scanner class and the function and to get the input from the user, and I use the next int function of the scanner class to get the int variable, and then I system out println the reverse number. And the logic I've used here is that first I check whether the n is less than 10, system.out print n. Else if that's not true, that is if it's not single digits, more than one digit, then I start a do loop in which m is equal to n modulus 10. This gives you the single digit, so I print m, and then I change the value of n as n by 10. That is, if it is 122, first the modulus gives you the value 2, that's the first digit, and the 120 by 10, that's 12, n is updated to that. And after the loop gets over, then I print after the loop, the first two digits, that's if it's 122, 2 and 2 will be printed, but 1 will not be printed. That's because of the condition we have given. So in order to do that, the current value of n, that will be the remaining digit, is printed explicitly, and it works. Now let us just try compiling and running the program. Enter the number. Let's try 122 221. Let's try running it one more time. Let's give something a bit more bigger this time. 5 4 3 2 1 1 2 3 4 5. It works perfectly. My code, both my exercises, my codes are working fine. So that's it. Thank you all for watching, and hope to see you all soon next time. Thank you. This is Paul signing off, and this is my first video. Hopefully I can improve a lot better in the next one. And if you guys have any comment, my details and my email and my details to contact is there in my channel. So please do give me your reviews. Thank you, and see you all soon.